Hi guys, it's Alex and welcome back to another video. This one is absolutely unplanned and completely just random. I just decided to pick up the camera and do this little unboxing with you guys. I would normally do this on Instagram, but I'm not using Instagram so much lately, so you guys are gonna get it here on YouTube. So I have a very fun package that was just delivered and I just took it out of the shipping box and I want to do a little unboxing with you guys, do a little first impression, show you mod shots, how they fit. So the box has this like US themed print on it and it says made, which refers to made in the US. So ta-ta-ta. Okay, you're gonna get a lot of me just looking at the item because yeah, I just opened it, so it is absolute first impression. I love them. They feel so nice. They really do feel different. It's all probably in my mind, but I don't know if it's because it's made in the US, but I just feel like it's a lot more premium sneaker. It just feels very different from like the other sneakers of this kind that I ever had. This is very random. I'm not really good at this spontaneous thing, but I'm gonna try and just roll with it and do it. So the model is 990 V5. And here it is, the V5 stamp on the back, which I think stands for the 5th version. I'm not like a sneakerhead. I don't really know a lot about sneakers. I think they are like a relaunch of an original 80s shoes. These are more of like a premium sneaker from New Balance, so they come with like a higher price tag for this type of sneakers. I mean, they're nothing in comparison to like designer sneakers, so I am really happy about that. I told you guys this was unplanned and it was absolutely unplanned, so I ran out of battery, but luckily I had a spare one charged. So here we are again. Where was I? Yeah, I think I was saying that I actually don't like buying designer sneakers. The only pair I have are my Alexander McQueen sneakers. I remember that design really spoke to me and it was so innovative and just very different, and I thought that they were very special and like very recognizable. So that is like kind of the only time when I would justify buying like designer sneakers. I think other examples of that would be the Balenciaga sock sneaker and the Balenciaga like super chunky sneaker. I think those were like really good examples of designer houses that launched a trend and started a whole trend. Otherwise, I feel like they are usually just following the streetwear trends and then just making a designer version, if that makes sense. And yeah, so I just prefer to go for like the actual sneaker brands like Adidas, Nike, New Balance, etc. But yeah, I really wanted to get these. I'm very late on this trend. I think they have been trending for quite some time now. I think what I love the most is the color. A lot of dad sneakers, chunky sneakers are more like white and bright colored. This gray color is vintage looking. It definitely looks like an 80s shoe, which is supposed to look like because it's an original 80s shoe. The quality of suede is really nice, so the leather feels really premium and high-end. They don't look cheap at all, which is great because they were not cheap for a pair of sneakers. The tongue is very nice and soft. It's not too high up, so it's not like really long, as you can see here. It like really follows the line nicely, which I think is going to be very comfortable. And the interior of the shoe is like completely padded. And I got them in size US 8, UK 6, European 39, which is my usual size. We're gonna try them on just in a second, and I know I didn't even try them on. I don't know how I'm managing to do that. But actually I have to just lace them up quickly because they came like this. Yeah, both of them. So I need to lace them up and then I'll show you guys how they look on my feet. I think I'll have to look up how to lace them up nicely. Or I just do like a standard lace up. I don't know. I have to apologize in advance. This is not going to be like a styling video. I am just wearing black leggings on me right now. So I'm just going to show you how they look on feet. This is how they look from the top. They are so super comfortable. When it comes to the size, they are really like comfortable and they feel somewhat like bigger, but they're actually not big. I think what happens with these type of sneakers, like dad sneakers, if you never had any, is that they are so wide and comfortable in the toe area that like your feet feel like they have a lot of room. Because actually this feels amazing, the fact that I can just like spread all of my toes and just like feel super comfortable, and my toes are not like squished inside. So yeah, I don't feel like they are big. I know that New Balance offers actually wide fit, like a tighter fit, standard fit. I couldn't choose any of those because I was really struggling to find them just in my size in general. So I got them in a standard fit. I think I'll have to check if there is anywhere written on the box or on the label, but I think these are like just the standard fit and they are just perfect. I would definitely not size down. So that was my point. They also do not make your feet looking really big, which I know it's a problem for a lot of girls. Like we don't like when the shoes make our feet look huge. So if that's a concern that you have with these type of sneakers, just so you know, they do not do that. So definitely go with your regular size. I seriously do not want to take them off, but I want to because I also want to keep them in my hands while I talk. So another thing I wanted to say is that I think in the United States right now, these are not really like difficult to find, but here in Europe, you guys, it was a struggle. I spent few days looking for these. They arrived a little bit like later than usual. I think it took them like 4 or 5 days maybe, which is not a big deal at all, but it's just like worth mentioning if you are in Europe. Of course, I'm going to leave the link of the website down below, and I'm going to link them for you guys in the States because yeah, I think it's a little bit easier to get them there. I just love them. I think they are the prettiest, the nicest dad sneaker that I've ever seen and I've ever tried. I don't know if I missed any other detail. If you do have questions, let me know in the comments down below. I'm more than happy to answer them. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick and random video from me, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. Before I go away, I just wanted to mention very quickly that I am so happy to be able to offer you guys a 20% discount on my favorite necklace that I keep wearing since I got, and it is my Monica Vinader like snake chain necklace, an absolute gem. I am so happy that I tried this brand. They have such beautiful gold jewelry, which is still on the more like affordable side, and this necklace is absolute favorite of mine since I got it. I've been wearing it non-stop. I'm sleeping with it. I'm taking it off when I shower just because I like to take off all of my jewelry when I shower, but you don't really have to because it is such a high quality gold vermeil. So it has a lot of gold, and the base metal is sterling silver, which is another amazing thing about their jewelry. So I am so excited that if you guys want to get this necklace and a pendant, you can go ahead now and check the link in the description box. So if you shop through the link in the description box, you are going to get like the 20% off automatically on your checkout. You don't need to put any codes or anything. So yeah, I'm really excited for that, and thank you, Monica Vinader, for being so kind to you guys. So that would be all. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.